R, A, D, E, O, Z. Radios. V, E, D, E, O, Z. Videos. O, N, Li. Only. J, O, K, ing. Joking. F, O, N, ing. Phoning. Sm, O, K, ing. Smoking. H, ear, here. So if there is a word within another word, you can code the word as the word itself. So the word ear, and then you add a h in front of ear, you have here. H, ear. Here. H, E, R. So here the letter E sounds like E for evil, and then R sounds as R, sounds like R, which is the only sound it can make. H, E, R, here. Do you notice that the word here and the word here sound the same but look different when you spell them? Here, here. H, E, R, here. H, ear, here. Okay? And then we said that the O sound, so an O and an E together sounds like O. An O and a W together can sound like O, but it can make another sound. So can this make another sound as well. An O and an A together sounds like O. An O by itself can sound like O, but it does make another sound as well. And then ing is a suffix. A suffix comes at the end of a word. A suffix is, so basically there's a base word and then we add the suffix. So here, borrow would be the base word, ing is the suffix. Boast is the base word, ing is the suffix. Grown is the base word, ing is the suffix. I won't use these ones because joke and phone and smoke are not completely spelled out here before the suffix.